Want to update MusicBrainz Picard to the latest version? Keeping MusicBrainz Picard up to date gives you the newest features, bug fixes, compatibility improvements, and security updates. In this guide, I'll show you how to update MusicBrainz Picard step by step. Let's get started. First, open MusicBrainz Picard and click Help, then select About Picard to view your current version number. Checking the installed version helps you determine whether an update is available. Next, visit the official MusicBrainz Picard download page and compare your installed version with the latest stable release. If a newer version is available, download the installer for your operating system. Always download updates from the official website to ensure you're getting a genuine release. Before installing the update, save any unfinished work and close MusicBrainz Picard completely. Closing the application prevents files from being in use during the installation. Now run the downloaded installer and follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will update your existing installation while keeping your settings and music files intact in most cases. Simply follow the installation wizard until the update is complete. Finally, reopen MusicBrainz Picard and go back to Help, then About Picard. Confirm that the version number now matches the latest installed release. You can also check that your plugins are up to date by opening the plugin settings and refreshing the plugin list if needed. And that's how to update MusicBrainz Picard. Keeping the application updated ensures you have the latest improvements, better compatibility, and the newest features for managing your music library. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.